What's cracking, YouTube? Welcome back to Myers Two-Stroke RC Garage. And today, guys, it's nice weather. I know it's been a while since I put any content out, but I got some stuff going on in my life, and I'm just doing my best to put content out around it. So I'll let you guys know later on what that's all about. But anyways, I just want to get this thing out and rip it. We got the 71 Supreme Kraken on the ground, so nice weather. We're gonna see what it runs like. So I'll get you guys on my head and we'll get back at it. I think it's starting to get lean. Yeah, she's getting lean, guys. She's getting low on fuel. She's drinking it. awesome rip. This thing drinks the fuel, I'm telling you. It drinks the fuel with that high RPM reblock in there. Yeah, it uses quite a bit more fuel. I can't tell you exactly how much, but I used to be able to get like maybe close to 10 minutes of run time, and now it's like almost cut in half. So I made sure I topped off the fuel and everything, but I can tell by the way it sounds it's getting lean, and all the fuel is going to the back of the tank, and it's just leaning it out. It needs one of them sock things, something to help it to where it doesn't starve for fuel. But anyways, guys, that was a great rip. So excited to do it. Machine performed well again. I'm really excited about that, and things are just going so well for this thing. Yeah, I really want to get it out to a new spot, and it's going to be a surprise here because we're going to do some top speed runs with this thing, and we're going to get out to a new spot, and we're going to be doing some top speed runs. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you haven't become a member yet, you can click on my channel and click on membership and become a member. There's 2 different tiers. There's the shop crew, which is the lowest tier. You just get access to earlier videos or members only videos. And then there's the gasser, which is the top tier, and you get my personal number and all that stuff, and you can call me anytime, and I'll pick up and or text me or whatever. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna quit rambling on, and don't forget, we will see you in the next one.